Welcome back. Now we are unboxing REALME Buds Wireless 2 Neo series. Product comes with a Type-C charging cable, extra silicone buds, user manual. Comes up to 17 hours of playback time, magnetic instant connection, 11.2 mm, large bass support, 88 ms low latency, good for the gamers. 10 minutes of charge will support 120 minutes of playback, up to water resistant and sweat resistant, very flexible. Power control, volume increase and decrease button. Overall a good design, good quality, comes with a warranty.